In this video, I'll walk you through the process of adding a PDF to your Mailchimp email. If you find this guide useful, be sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Your support enables us to continue producing valuable content. When you add a PDF to a Mailchimp email, it allows you to share detailed documents or resources directly with your audience, enhancing engagement and providing valuable content. It also helps in tracking interactions and understanding recipient interests. To begin creating an email campaign with Mailchimp, first log into your account. After logging in, you will be directed to your Mailchimp dashboard. In the top left corner, you will see a button labeled Create. Click on this button to start a new project. On the subsequent page titled Create an Email, you will be prompted to provide an internal name for your email. This name is for your reference only and helps you identify the email campaign later. Type in a descriptive name for your email campaign, then click Create Email to proceed to the next step. Once you have created your email, you will be taken to a new page where you can set up the subject line for your email. Scroll down until you find the Subject tab. Click on the Add Subject button to reveal two text boxes where you can enter the subject line for your email. Type in your desired subject line and then click Save to confirm your changes. Next, move to the Send Time tab. Here, you will find an option labeled Edit Send Time. Click on this option to adjust when you want your email to be sent. After selecting your preferred send time, click Save to finalize your timing preferences. Now, proceed to the Content tab and click on Design to begin crafting the content of your email. You will be presented with a variety of pre-designed email templates offered by Mailchimp. You can choose any of these templates that suit your needs. If you have previously saved or drafted templates, you can access them under the Draft Emails tab. To use a selected template, hover your mouse over it and click the Apply button. This action will open the visual editor, allowing you to make modifications. In the visual editor, you can customize your email by adding elements such as buttons, images, or text. In the visual editor, you can customize your email by adding elements such as buttons, images, or text. For instance, if you need to add a new button, drag it from the left panel and place it in the desired location within your email layout. You can then modify the button's text, color, or background by scrolling through the available options. Rename the button to something like View Our PDF or any name you prefer, and then click on it to access its properties. In the left panel, click on the Link To drop-down list. From this list, choose File. This will display an Add File option. Click on it and you will see an Upload from Device option. From your PC, upload the PDF file you wish to include, and your button will be linked to it. To preview your email, click on Preview from the top ribbon, and you'll be able to see how it looks. If you want to test the email before sending it out, click on Send Test from the top ribbon. Enter the email address where you want to send the test version, and once it is sent, check your email to ensure everything is working correctly. By following these steps, you will successfully create, design, and test your email campaign using Mailchimp. I hope you found this video both useful and engaging. For more valuable tips and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.